Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of eBay. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about eBay and you will click. In this page you will find the app info. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we click on Play Store. You will search about eBay. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again, so please don't forget.